Supplies you'll need. First, I'm going to tell you the supplies you'll need. A spatula! A spatula! It's a contact solution. Cups. You're going to add a teaspoon of contact lens solution.
I'm going to try that again.
Yeah. Now I'm going to share 2 Bible verses with you. Proverbs 25:26. Like a mudded spring.
No.
Don't do it. I made slime. I made slime.